Hello Mad Makers! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun underwater drawing. I am using a great book by Ed Emberley. He shows you step by step how to draw all sorts of different types of animals. And today I'm going to show you how to make a fish, an octopus, and a whale. Alrighty, let's get started. I'm going to grab a piece of paper here. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. This is just a piece of computer paper. It can be whatever size paper you want. Now when we draw, you can draw with a pencil or you can just start drawing right away with a marker. I'm going to use a marker. So I'm going to start with my whale first. So my first step is to draw a little rectangle. And I'm making it small because I want to have room to fit my other animals, my other creatures around here. Once I'm done with my rectangle, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down like this, and I'm going to make a little dot right there. And I'm going to draw a line from here to my dot, and then I'm going to draw a line from here to my dot. All right. My next step is to draw another triangle, so I'm going to use a dot to help me. On the bottom, I'm going to draw to my dot, and then from this corner, I'm going to draw to my dot. Next I need to draw two more triangle shapes. So I'm going to do a V shape like this and a V shape like this for my tail. And that's basically the outline of our whale. So now we're going to go ahead and color this in. You can use any color you want. If you have a gray color, that would probably make a more realistic looking whale. I didn't have gray, so I decided to use blue. Okay. Now that I have my whale outline drawn, I'm just going to add a few details. I'm going to make just a tiny little eyeball, just a dot right there. And then if you want, you can make some little teeny tiny teeth, just some dots. Then I also can make some little spray marks using, again, any color you want, and just using some dots to make a little line that shows where the air is coming out. All right, that's my whale. Let's make a octopus next. Alrighty. First step, let's draw a half circle. And we're going to make a line. Then we're going to draw two circles. They can be touching. You want pretty big circles. And we're going to carefully color in everything around the outside, leaving our circles white. Okay. Now we're going to add our octopus legs. And they can look however you want them to look. You can put as many legs or as little legs as you want on there. And then we'll add the detail of two little dots for eyeballs. And then you can make a little smiley mouth if you want. There's our octopus. All right, let's draw our fish. I'm going to put my fish up in this corner here. So the first step for our fish is to draw a triangle, just like that. And we're going to color it in. All right. I'm going to grab a different color. You can use the same color or a different color. And I'm going to add another triangle facing the other direction on the back here. Oops. And I'm going to color that in. I'm going to put another triangle here. I'm going to put another triangle here. Then I'm going to draw a half circle here and a circle inside. And then I'm going to carefully fill this in, leaving my white circle white. Now for a few details, use my black to make a little eyeball there. I can make a smiley face, and then I can add some details that look like fish scales. And there's my fish. Some water. Put a little sun in the corner. Let's add some seaweed. All right, and there you have it. That is our underwater drawing. I hope you had fun making this drawing. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come.